Welcome people, I hope you're alright and I hope you're doing okay. We have a few topics we want to talk about today, as you can see in the title below. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever JV Radio upload a video or content. There's a picture on Instagram making the rounds of a policeman and a woman allegedly holding two firearms at their wedding, taking a picture. Now, before going any further, you can voice your own opinions in the comment section below. I would like to hear what are your viewpoints on this picture. A lot of persons are not so happy with the picture. While I was reading some comments on the internet, persons are asking if this is even illegal or if this is legal. My viewer subscribers, persons were also saying that it was irrelevant and not relevant to have a picture or taking a picture of your wedding or of you kissing your bride with both of you brandishing two firearms. It was not, or it didn't make any sense, persons were saying, while a few persons were saying it's not really a big deal and it is legal and there's no law that says two members of the JCF or JDF cannot take a wedding picture with their firearm. Now, my viewer subscribers, let me just give you my 2 cents as to what I think about this picture. Now, at first, when I saw the picture, one thing came to mind. It reminded me of Bonnie and Clyde, which were two couples back in the... I can't remember how long ago. I think it was back in the 70s, the 17th century or something like that. You know, they went around like robbing small business owners and small gas stations. You know, there were two criminals committed over about 13 to 14 crime. You know, and they always taking picture of them making love, kissing, with both of them having a firearm. Now, my viewer subscribers, as I can say, that was what came to my mind. Now, do I think it's a big deal? No, I don't think it's a big deal, no, my people. I mean, this is just my own opinion. I mean, I might share different outlook and just looking at that picture, but it is not something major that I would say that, yo, this wrong, and this. You know, as you could see in the picture, there were also other members of JCF attending the wedding, so you might never know. I don't think it's illegal, and what I realized with things like this, within a few days, you'll hear JCF making statement that they're probing the incident or the matter of this picture or whatever. That's when the government comes under a lot of pressure by the citizens of the country, and I'm telling you, this will be the next talked about thing. Persons are start asking questions already because I'm a CEO, and to be honest, it's the first time I'm ever seeing a picture like this, a wedding picture like this. I can name all the fancy things that two couple do at their wedding and all of that. Could not think of something like this in Jamaica. I mean, I've seen it overseas. It's a common thing, in other countries, but not in Jamaica. So persons are scratching their head, wondering or asking themselves, what is really this? Will we get some answer on to this matter? But like I said earlier, you can make or you can voice your own opinion in the comment section below, because I know that a lot of persons will share different opinion when it comes down to this and different outlook. Now, I would really like to hear a lot of them, so leave those in the comment section below. In other news, my viewer subscribers, a man said to be only known as JJ, who was seen in a viral video, and of course, you know this video here I'm going to play right now. He was in this video that a lot of persons laugh every time they watch it, including me. Whenever I watch it, I tend to laugh a lot. Now, here's the video.
You know that already, man? Pretty fireman, baby, Mr. Solar. Hot fireman, Mr. Baby.
Yes, that said guy, my viewer subscribers. It was reported that he was shot and killed in Kingston earlier today. Now, it's unclear as to the motive behind the shooting, while we don't have that information, because as you guys are aware that a lot of persons die by a gunshot every day, and if it doesn't make mainstream news, and if you don't know the person personal, it's really hard to get a lot of information on the matter, and only can rely on as to what we are provided by a few persons, and sometimes these news are not accurate or as to the information that person will provide you with. But it is reported that he was gunned down earlier today in Kingston. You know, heard that he was a comedian. I mean, that video, every time I watch it, me have to laugh and not going to tell no lie. But my condolences to this brother here. You see it, RIP, my viewers, subscribers. In other news, now my viewers, subscribers, there's also another video making the round on the internet of a 5-year-old. It was said that he was picked up on the streets after curfew hour by the police who were patrolling, and he was immediately taken to the police station. Now, my viewers, subscribers, I'm going to let you watch the video and you can voice your own opinion on this. Now, here's the video before we talk about it.
It's Auguston police station, 5-year-old. What time now? What? After 9. We just come get him from the station. The officer then fling him in a jeep and carry him on here. This is a 5-year-old. Remember, Auguston police station. Okay?
That 5-year-old, as you can see, him not have on a shirt, him barefoot, him in one little old pants, cut off foot pants, you know, my people. He was seen outside of the police station. Me figure more or less say you're probably the person who came for the child, you know, that's the reason why that child was seen outside at the front. I don't know, but my viewers, subscribers, it's really disturbing, and persons were having mixed feeling about the matter based on how the person who was videoing, it seemed as if she was the person who came for the child. Based on how she was describing the scenery, she was basically saying that, yo, the police them pick him up, you know, put him in a jeep and carry him to the station. You know, it seemed as if the police them see him, like probably like a shop after curfew hours or something, and just take him up, kind of up on the road, you know. But based off what happened, that's not how it went. You know, basically, this young youth, this baby here, you know, was seen on the road by himself after curfew hour, and the police and decides to say, you know, we are carrying me in a station because him not dep on the road. Now, when we really want to ask my viewers, was the police supposed to leave the child on the road, you know, without no guidance and just drive left the youth like the baby like that? Then would probably say, if the youth come missing a year, say your police patrol and pass the baby and go about them business. You know, they did the right thing, you know, to actually pick up the youth in the jeep and carry him to the station. Now, we need to ask the question, where was the parents of this baby here? We need to know the parents of this baby here, because time and time, them things here happen, and there's no repercussion afterwards. It come like it never happened, you know, and them things here if stop happen. There's no way you can leave a 5-year-old unattended or unattended, you know, for roam the streets without no guidance. Just imagine, anything can happen, my viewers, subscribers, you know. And even though people were saying that, yo, why the police them do this, why the police them do that, even though I don't see nothing wrong with it, all me can say, yo, where was the parents of this child? Because me can tell you, if the police them did say this baby here with a guardian, me can tell you them wouldn't do that. You know, them wouldn't do that. I don't know the female or the woman that is videoing. I don't know her. I don't know who she is to this youth here. She only come and say she come for the baby. You know, and the baby just attack strong. So like, yeah, like, you know, like, me don't know my viewers, subscribers, but me hate to see them things here. It's really disturbing to me. I don't know about anybody else. You know, and we need to know the parents of this youth here. Them parents here for face penalties when them leave them youth unattended to like this, my viewers, subscribers. Me don't like it. It don't look good. But comment in the comment section below what you think, no man. You see it. Until next time, just vibes, you know. I'm out.